Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we are going to learn about how to upload our Microsoft Advanced Threat Protection package to Intune. To begin with, you can go to Microsoft Intune and go to Device Configuration and Profiles, create a new profile and give a meaningful name, and then choose your Windows 10 or later. And here the profile type you can choose as the ATP, Microsoft Defender ATP for Windows 10 Desktop. Here you can check to upload this package. You need to have the ATP subscription. If I directly try here, you can check out here, if I try to log into Microsoft Defender Security Center, it says that, hey, you don't have any subscription, active subscription. So it all depends. If you have the subscription, you can upload it. This is specific settings for whoever have that specific subscription. Let's try. If you want to, you can go here and take a trial, and once you have the trial is submitted, you can easily download that specific package and that can be uploaded here. So this is a link where you can give a try for the number of pieces you want to try, and to state all that information. Once it is there, you can simply submit so that you get that exact subscription. We are renewing your application and they are gonna enable that specific application. And between if you have that application, you can log into the ATP site and download that package, specific package, and you can go back here and upload here that specific file, so that this specific file can be used for the advanced threat protection purpose. In the configuration, you have your sample sharing for all files. Also, you have the exploit telemetry reporting frequency information also. So if at all you have all these configuration ready, you can create this profile and apply for that specific set of target audience. Now that's how you can configure Microsoft ATP specific package and collect that information. Thank you for watching this.